Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. In today video we will calculate percent yield, लेकिन उससे पहले कुछ बेसिक टर्म्स को समझते हैं. Yield, the amount of product obtained as a result of chemical reaction. Theoretical yield, calculated yield और expected yield, ये तीनों टर्म्स सेम हैं. द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड थ्योरेटिकल यील्ड. थ्योरेटिकल यील्ड को हम बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन से लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट के कंसेप्ट से कैलकुलेट करते हैं. एक्चुअल यील्ड, एक्सपेरिमेंटल यील्ड और प्रैक्टिकल यील्ड, ये तीनों टर्म्स सेम हैं. द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दैट इज एक्चुअली ऑब्टेन एक्सपेरिमेंटली इन अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एक्चुअल यील्ड. फर्ज करें आप लैब में रिएक्शन लगाते हो और रिएक्टेंट ए का 1 मोल डिसॉल्व करते हो रिएक्टेंट बी के 1 मोल में और एक्सपेक्ट करते हो प्रोडक्ट सी का 1 मोल. तो जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो वो थ्योरेटिकल यील्ड होती है. सो 1 मोल ऑफ सी इज थ्योरेटिकल यील्ड, बट आफ्टर द रिएक्शन कंप्लीशन you get 0.5 mole of C. 0.5 mole is the actual yield that you obtain experimentally. Percent yield, actual yield divided by theoretical yield, and answer is multiplied by 100 to get percent yield. Percent yield of this reaction is equal to 0.5 mole actual yield divided by 1 mole theoretical yield multiply 100 is equal to 50%. Question, 1.5 mole of A react with 2 mole of B to form 0.8 mole of C. Calculate the percent yield. Here a balanced chemical equation. Percent yield is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield multiply 100. Actual yield क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 0.8 मोल ऑफ सी. थ्योरेटिकल यील्ड को बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन से लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट के कंसेप्ट से फाइंड आउट करते हैं. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट. Firstly, you have to write the number of mole of reactant and product. Second, write their stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric coefficient क्या होते हैं? The number of mole of reactant and product in the balanced chemical equation. Here are example of ammonia synthesis जिसमें stoichiometric coefficient of nitrogen is 1, hydrogen is 3, ammonia NH3 is 2. Third, divide mole to stoichiometric coefficient. Fourth, the reactant which has minimum of this ratio mole to stoichiometric coefficient is limiting reactant. थ्योरेटिकल यील्ड फाइंड आउट करने से पहले लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट फाइंड करते हैं. The number of mole for A is 1.5 and B is 2. Stoichiometric coefficient for A is 2 and B is 1. Divide mole to stoichiometric coefficient for A is 1.5 divided by 2 and B is 2 divided by 1. Reactant A has minimum of this ratio, so A is limiting reactant, and we all know limiting reactant decide the amount of product. Number of mole of C form. Limiting reactant A है, product C है. Divide mole to stoichiometric coefficient for A is 1.5 divided by 2 and C is number of mole of C divided by 2. After cross multiplication, number of mole of C is equal to 1.5 mole. 1.5 is the theoretical yield that we calculate from the balanced chemical equation with the help of limiting reactant concept. Finally, percent yield is equal to 0.8 mole actual yield divided by 1.5 mole theoretical yield multiplied by 100 is equal to 53%. As you can see, actual yield is less than theoretical yield. Let us know the reason. Firstly, side reaction produces byproduct. Second, due to reversible reactions. Third, mechanical loss of product like separation by filtration, separation by distillation, separation by separating funnel, washing, drying and crystallization is not properly carried out decreases the yield. Next, when limestone calcium carbonate is roasted, quicklime calcium oxide is produced according to the following equation. The actual yield of calcium oxide is 44.64 mole. When 45 mole of calcium carbonate is roasted, what is the percent yield? Chemical equation given है. एक्चुअल यील्ड ऑफ कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 44.64 मोल. थ्योरेटिकल यील्ड कैलकुलेट करते हैं. लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि इक्वेशन में एक ही रिएक्टेंट है. अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट ग्राम में दिए जाएं तो आप उन्हें मोल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो मोल फार्मूले से. नंबर ऑफ मोल ऑफ कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, रिएक्टेंट कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, प्रोडक्ट कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड divide mole to stoichiometric coefficient for calcium carbonate is 45 divided by 1 and calcium oxide is number of mole of calcium oxide divided by 1 after cross multiplication. Number of mole of calcium oxide is equal to 45. 45 is the theoretical yield of calcium oxide. Finally, percent yield is equal to 44.64 mole actual yield of calcium oxide divided by 45 mole theoretical yield of calcium oxide multiplied by 100 is equal to 99.2%. Percent yield indicate the efficiency of the reaction. Greater the percent yield, greater the efficiency of the reaction. Here are difference between actual yield and theoretical yield. In actual yield, amount of product actually obtained. In theoretical yield, amount of product obtained from balanced chemical equation. Actual yield always less than theoretical yield. Theoretical yield greater than actual yield. Actual yield not calculated from limiting reactant and theoretical yield calculated from limiting reactant. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe bell icon and write your questions in the comment section.